f of 6. This is not saying f multiplied by 6. This is actually a notation that represents your output. So on the table of values, you recall the output is on the right side. So we call this f of x. Given your x value, which is over here, call your input. So f of 6 is actually your output. Okay. So there's a crucial information it's telling us here. It's telling us that the x value is 6, so we put 6 here for the x value. So again, what you need to do is pretty much look at this table, right? So x is 6, so we find 6 on this table, and it's pointing at 2, the output 2. So f of 6 is actually equal to 2. So we just put 2 as your answer. And we do the same for B, C, D, and the rest up until f. So let's try this. F of 4. So again, start with my table. And then I put f of 4 as your output. This tells us our x value is 4. So again, I go to the f function and look for 4, which is here, 4. 4 is pointing to 5. So my answer for this one is 5. Okay, once you're done with this, let's go down to G, where it's actually switching gear and telling us to look at the inverse function table. So now I do the same thing. And again, this notation right here, it doesn't mean f to the -1 power. It's just telling you this is the inverse notation. So we use the inverse chart. Right? And the inverse chart is this. So we do the same thing as above. We put f inverse, where the x value is 2. What is the output? The output, we just look at it, 2 is pointing at 6. So my answer is 6. And we do the rest of these problems right here the same exact way.